Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can connect your meta catalog, product catalog inside Pabbly Chatflow as well as use it, okay? So now you need to create a catalog inside your meta account. I'll give you a quick brief how you can create a catalog. Simply from the panel go to settings option right over here. You have came to the WhatsApp manager of Meta. I will enter the code of my WhatsApp right now. After coming to this page right over here of the settings, you have to go to this data sources section and go to the catalog section right here. And over here through this plus button, you can create your own business product catalogs. Okay. After creating the catalog right over here, you can see these are the catalogs that I have created. Now how you can see these catalogs that you have created in your Meta business account in your Pabbly Chatflow. For that, first connect your account with Pabbly Chatflow. After connecting, simply from the panel go to flows, and in flows you will see the option catalog. Select this option. As soon as I will do that, you won't be able to see any of the catalogs right here. In order to sync the catalogs from your Meta into Pabbly Chatflow, simply click on this sync catalog option right over here. As soon as you will do that, all the catalogs that you have created inside your Meta account, you can see demo bed sheets, tea table, catalog chair products. You will see all the same catalogs inside your Pabbly Chatflow account now. As now all the catalogs has been appeared over here in the catalog section, we can only connect one catalog at a time inside Pabbly Chatflow. So I have connected the catalog demo bed sheets, you can see right over here. You can connect any other catalogs as per your requirement right here. You can see as soon as I will select one catalog over here, you can see right over here this other catalog has been disconnected. Okay, so in this manner you can connect one catalog with Pabbly Chatflow to use. Okay. So now as this catalog has been connected, now how you can use this catalog inside your workflow. So simply I will open one flow that I've created, a WhatsApp chatbot, a very simple one right now. I will tell you how you can add the catalog products inside this flow section. Okay. So now you have two options to show your products. The products that is added in your catalog, the meta catalog. Okay. You have options under messages, single product or multiple products. So first let me show you how you can use this single product. I'll drag this field, drop it in the flow. I will connect this button that I have with this section of single product. Okay. Now we have to add the product right here. Click on it. As now the catalog, the bedsheet catalog is connected with Pabbly Chatflow currently. You will see all the products that is created inside that catalog on the screen. Okay. You can see these are the products that I've created. If I'm going to show you this catalog that I have created, you can see these are the same products visible inside Pabbly Chatflow's flow section as we have connected it. Okay. And one more very important point, the catalog that you have created using Meta, the status of that catalog should be active in order to use it. Okay. Now what you have to do is for the single product, out of all these products, you can only select one product with this section. So let me select this demo bloom cotton bed sheet over here. As soon as I will select it, if you want, you can enter a body. Let's suppose I will write over here as beautiful bed sheet. Okay, I'm going to give this body. You can also add a footer if you want. You can enter the body according to your requirement. I've just written over here a dummy detail. Okay. So I've added this single product. I will save this workflow, this entire flow right over here, the flow builder. As now this flow is saved, this bot is saved. With my WhatsApp number, let me send a message. Okay, let's suppose my message is hello. I will send this message right here. I have received this reply. Hello, welcome to Amazing Bed Sheets. How can I help you today? I will select the view bed sheets option right over here. As soon as I've selected this option, you will see I have received that single product that I've added inside my flow. You can see as a WhatsApp message now, and this is the same product that I've added in my Meta product catalog. You can see the same bed sheet. I've received it as a WhatsApp message right here. Okay, and yes, you can see right over here I have selected the view bed sheets button and then I've received this product. You can see this product is connected to this view bed sheets option right here. Okay, now another case is if you want to use multiple products. So let me first delete this single product from here. I will drag the point of multiple product and drop it, and now let us connect this button of view bed sheets with this option. For the header, let's suppose I will write it as, here are our bed sheet category. Okay, we have to add a section. I will write the section over here as bed sheets. So I've entered the header as view bed sheets. This is the body. I've entered the section title. Now inside this section you can add multiple sections if you have different type of products inside your catalog. Okay, so now let us add the product inside our first section. I have only one section of bed sheets, and in this I can add multiple products from the catalog. I will add this product. I want another product, so I'm going to add another product, this one. Then I want to add another product right over here, let's suppose as this one. These are the three type of bed sheets I want to add on this catalog right here on this section of multiple product. As soon as I've added all the products, you can see it says product added. As soon as I've saved this bot, from my WhatsApp I will again send a message, let's suppose as hello. Let's see how the multiple product message comes. I will select the option as view bed sheets. And as soon as I will select this option, I have received this message. Here are our bed sheet categories. I will click on this view items button, and you can see these are the three kinds of bed sheets right here. And all these bed sheets were added as a product inside my meta catalog, and I've received it on my WhatsApp as well. So this is how you can connect your product catalogs from your meta inside Pabbly Chatflow, as well as use it inside Pabbly Chatflow Flow Builder section. Okay. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.